Let's check the function of operating system. Operating system manages system resources. An operating system decides which computer resource will utilize for solving which problem in what order. Its general operation system has following main function. Allocation. The operating system allocates input-output device and central processing unit to specific application according to their requirement. It also controls the flow of the data between these devices. This link maintained through the driver program. Each input-output device has its own driver. Program execution. The operating system loads the application program in the memory and execute them. Error handling. The operating system generates error message whenever an error occurs while the execution of an application program. Data management. It is the function of OS to manage data storage in the computer memory and store devices. File management. An operating system acts as a file manager. It saves a file under the file name provided by the user on the disk and helps execute it when required. The file manager stores the file information about each file or folder, a file type and the location of a file on the system, file size in bytes, file access whether read-only, read-write, write-only, etc. Date of the creation, date of last access, date of last interaction, etc. Memory management. You know that computer memory can hold and execute several programs at same time. The operating system allocate and deallocate this memory to various applications. It also keeps track of free memory. Scheduling. The operating system coordinates resources and jobs by giving them level of priority. Network management. Network have a special operating system. These are called network operating system, NOS. These are control the security of network by maintaining username and password. Unix, Linux and Windows are example of NOS. Monitoring. The operating system monitor and keep track of the field and folders, the disk and work in the progress. It informs computer user about abnormal treatment of error. It also secures the computer system by denying the access to the unauthorized user.